Most trading platforms either bombard you with complexity or try to sell you on empty promises. LuxBit takes a different tack. It's a modern trading platform designed to provide traders with structure, clarity, and genuine control over how they trade. Rather than noise and confusion, LuxBit prioritizes simplicity, flexibility, and access to multiple markets, all within one sleek, professional setting. One of the first things you'll notice about LuxBit is just how clean and professional the website feels. The design's contemporary, the layout's intuitive, and everything's clearly spaced out. You don't feel overwhelmed when you arrive here, and getting around is straightforward. Sections are easy to locate, and the platform feels welcoming rather than daunting. This is important because trading platforms ought to reduce stress, not add to it. And LuxBit presents itself as a structured and supportive trading platform. The emphasis here is on making informed decisions and giving users control, not raising your blood pressure. Everything about the way the platform is presented encourages traders to take their time, understand what they're doing, and trade consistently. This sort of clarity is particularly important for long-term success, not just short-term gains. LuxBit offers several account types tailored to different levels of experience. This demonstrates flexibility and builds trust, as traders aren't forced into a one-size-fits-all arrangement. Newer traders can begin at a level that feels comfortable, while more experienced traders have options that suit their needs. It's a clear indication that the platform is designed to grow with you, not to rush you. With LuxBit, you can access multiple markets from a single platform, including currencies, indices, commodities, and shares. This makes diversification straightforward and convenient. Rather than juggling multiple platforms or accounts, everything is housed within one ecosystem. For traders, that means better oversight, easier strategy management, and less hassle overall. Security is clearly a top priority for LuxBit. The platform places great emphasis on trader safety and up-to-date protection standards, helping users feel confident that their data and activity are managed responsibly. Trust is a major aspect of trading, and LuxBit makes this a visible part of its foundation. LuxBit also maintains an active presence beyond its own website, including on social platforms and public review sites. User feedback often highlights the platform's structure, clarity, and overall experience, which reinforces the idea that this isn't just clever marketing, it's genuinely how users experience the platform. All in all, LuxBit stands out by focusing on usability, flexibility, and clarity. It's designed for traders who value structure, informed decisions, and a streamlined trading environment. If you're after a platform that puts experience before hype, LuxBit is definitely worth a closer look.